Good morning, everybody. It is your girl, JaleaNicole, and I'm here for a quick, and I really do mean quick, makeup video. Yes, I have bare-faced because what I'm about to do, you guys saw that I did a quick mommy on the go face, but I wanted to help my ladies out for those who only have 10 minutes. And I saw this collab with a few other YouTubers here, and I'll link all the information below. I'm part of a group that sometimes we share ideas and we say, hey, that would be awesome. So I will link all the other videos down below. Thank you, ladies, for the inspiration, because I normally take like 20 minutes, and to me that's my quick makeup. So I'm about to give you guys my real quick 10-minute makeup, and I'm going to start once I set my timer. I'm going to just have it count me down. And when you're doing this before I press start, you better pick your key areas and pick them right. So for me, excuse me, first and foremost, coffee is key. So that cut out last time. I had to make coffee, so that's gone. So what I'm going to do today is going to be mascara. So when I go to my 10-minute makeup, skin is the focus, a little bit of brow fill, some mascara, and nice juicy lips or nice matte lip, depending on what I'm wearing and where I'm going, because I tend to have a lot of business meetings out and about. I don't sit in an office, but if I have business, it's out and about and I'm meeting. It depends on the venue and what we're going to be doing. So today, probably going to be a little bit of a nice gloss. Not gloss, I mean just a nice satin lipstick. So let's get started. All right, so priming for sure, and I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime because this one adds moisture as well as primes my face, so it cuts out two products. Get my flat top, and today not necessarily gonna have a lot of time for color correcting, but I'm gonna do a not full color correction, just under the eyes, because I don't want to look gray. So. And don't mind me, I'm not doing this with a real mirror. I'm using my viewfinder, because a lot of times you're doing your makeup, you ain't even looking in the mirror. You just know. You know your face, and you know what you gotta do. And y'all, excuse me, I'm checking my lighting area. I mean, not my lighting, my filming area. I am working on all that again. You guys know I go through stages where I'm trying. Hold on. That one is like way. Whatever. I don't have time for it. It is like, whoa. Hopefully that'll work. I don't know. Okay, and I'm going to take my CoverGirl Queen All Day Flawless 3-in-1, and I'm just going to put. Bruh. Ooh, see, this is what be happening. It just squirt everywhere. I hope it didn't get on my carpet, because I don't got time for husband yelling at me. Not really yelling, but you know what I'm saying. See? Up here messing stuff up. And I'll make sure to get over that color correction really good. Where's my little, okay, here we go. Found my little mirror. My e.l.f. quad. You guys, my allergies have been so bad that me applying this around my eye, it burns. Not in a really, really burning sensation type of way, but it's definitely uncomfortable. Just know I love y'all. And I haven't really been, for the past few days since coming back from a wedding in Florida, I was like, I can't do it right now. My face needs some recovery. So I'm picking the makeup off my table. It's my little tray and it's clean. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to silence my phone, y'all. I know I look very shiny right now. It will not look that way in a few minutes. So now, let me get to my Sacha Buttercup. That's 7.5 minutes. Not too bad. I'm gonna use my sponge. There's no highlighting in any of those things. We don't have time for that. Be sure to set underneath my eye, because that is my problem area. And set means I push it in, and I don't just sit it there and then sweep it off. I push it all the way in. And I'm gonna bounce this all over to finish. Oh, need a little more around my lip area. Also, seeing as this is the area that ends up getting wiped away due to allergies. Okay, I'm gonna get a little more powder here. Get my forehead. I'm very expressive, so I have to get those areas that tend to want to break down on me. All right, you see that shine is gone. So now I'm going to take this same brush, drop it into my setting powder, and then just give it a little swirl all over. But everywhere else it doesn't need like compacted. Let me use it and sweep off anything extra. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna get to a little blush here. This is my Milani Rose d'Oro. Just get a little bit there. I just need a little wash of color. It also helps me that I picked this one because it has a little bit of shimmer in it. That way if I don't get to highlight, it kind of looks like I already have some. Yes, so far. All right. Ooh, I have 4.5 minutes. I have such a mess. Powder does it all the time. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm actually gonna go with this lip. I'm gonna put this on now. It is Darlingly Nude. Let me see. There's a little color there. And I'm gonna put something else on top of it. I normally mix that one anyway. And I'm gonna put Touch of Spice over top of it. These are both Maybelline lipsticks. Yeah, nice spring lip. I mix them together because one is like a mauve color and one is a really pink. I can't wear the other one without anything. So I'm gonna go in now with my NYC brow pencil just to give myself a little bit of something here. Mostly in the tail. Taking light strokes. And no, I'm not gonna go clean up or anything, which is why I'm very, very intentional with the strokes that I am filling in the brow with. Hair-like strokes, not dragging it. Don't want it to be too dark. Don't want too much product because just don't have time for that. Let's see. Save this for last because I'd rather get stuck doing brows than have none. Rather have everything else done and then be tweaking brows at the end. So you see that there? Now I'm going to take this little elf quad here, and I'm just going to take my finger, take a little bit of that the highlight, throw some on the lid. Can't get it. There we go. Got a little bit of that corner there. Now my Eye Envy mascara. I'm gonna throw some mascara on. Where am I at? I'm at about 2 minutes. And if I have an extra minute left, I will get a quick shadow and add some depth to the eye. But mascara is definitely a must-have because I have little stubby baby lashes. And I don't have time to be looking bald-eyed. You know what I'm saying? Oh yes, I got a little over a minute left. So I'm gonna take this here my contouring palette. And I'm just gonna take it in here a little bit. Oh yeah, perfect. So now, because I have a few seconds, I'm gonna highlight now. Bloop! Just to add a little bit more polished finish to the look. Go ahead and get my glow on. Everybody get your glow on. Everybody get your glow on. What? All right, ladies. And there you go. That is it. Matter of fact, I got about 30 seconds. Let me brush in some clear eye gel, my Maybelline clear brow gel. I just always feel like I can't go without that. Now, and I had 20 seconds to spare, ladies. So this, when I tell you, you can get in and out. Everybody's like, I can't look put together in that much time. I'm just gonna forget it. No, yes you can. I'm gonna cancel it so it doesn't make all that noise. Yes, you can get you a foundation that you know you don't have to lighten or darken. Like, get your tone. And even if you have one that's a little bit too light, make sure you have a powder that's a little bit darker. So you can always tweak what you got, use what you got. As long as you got a brow pencil, some mascara, and some lipstick, a blush, and a foundation, you'll be all right. So even if I didn't have blush and I didn't highlight or anything, my eyes were put together and I had lipstick on and I look, you know, presentable. I just love blush. I am a blush lover, so I make sure to find time to throw on a little bit, like I really like it. And then this one, for specific reasons, because it has a little bit of a highlight already embedded in it, so it makes it easier for me in case I can't hit the highlight step, which I saw I had a minute left, so I went ahead and did that. But like I said, thank you guys for staying tuned. And if you want to see the other ladies' rendition of their 10-minute makeup, some are less than 10 minutes. And I'm like, girl, you got it. I'm gonna use my full 10 minutes. I'm gonna use my full 10 minutes. Even if I only got 7 minutes, really, and I need to be at the door, I'm still gonna use 10. I'm still gonna use 10. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you and thank you for supporting me. Bye. And if you guys want to show me your 10-minute office face, your 10-minute run out the door face, please tag me on Instagram. Go ahead and give it to me on Instagram. Let me know down in the comment section below as well if you want to do that there. But I would love to see what your 10 minutes looks like. Okay? Bye, guys.